25 left, and turn right on Foxtrot to runway 25 right.
Hotel 4, cross runway 25 left, and then turn right on Foxtrot to runway 25 right, I've got 2040, thank you.
Southwest 2063, contact departure.
Departure 2060, sit.
American 2047, Phoenix Tower, wind 19013, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 25 right, clear for takeoff, American 2047.
Southwest 3438, Phoenix Tower, wind 19013, runway 25 left, clear the land.
25 left, Southwest 3438.
Boy 3799, contact departure.
Departure, good day, 3799.
Ascot 2240, heavy, Phoenix Tower, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 25 right, I've got 2240.
Southwest 1860, turn right on Foxtrot, hold short of runway 25 right at Foxtrot Niner.
Right on Foxtrot, hold short 25 right at Foxtrot Niner.
Ascot 2240, wind 18013, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25 right, I've got 2240.
American 2047, contact departure.
Go to departure, American 2047.
Couple 3438, caution turbos, heavy Airbus departure control.
3430.
Southwest 1860 at Foxtrot Niner, cross runway 25 right, turn right on Echo, contact ground.
At Foxtrot 9, cross you by right, by the Echo, grounding.
South 2240 heavy, contact departure, have a good one.
Contact departures, many thanks, Oscar 24 TCM.